Hello friends, in this video we will identify trees and tell about the botanical name and family. Identification of ornamental trees. First tree is lemon bamboo. Botanical name Bambusa vulgaris belong to Poaceae family. Environmentally friendly and durable bamboos are also used for fencing, edging, water features, and for ornamental areas such as gin gardens. It is widely used as an ornamental plant. It often is planted as fences and border hedges. It is also planted a measure for erosion control. Next tree is neem. Botanical name Azadirachta indica belong to Miliaceae family. Neem is a fast growing tree that can reach a height of 15 to 20 meters and rarely 35 to 40 meters. It is evergreen, but in severe drought it may shed most or nearly all of its leaves. Environmentally friendly and durable, neem are also used for fencing, aging. Flower color is white and flowering time is April to May. Next tree is Bauhinia. Botanical name Bauhinia variegata. Other botanical name is Bauhinia alba, Bauhinia triandra, and Bauhinia blackiana. Belong to Leguminaceae family. Other name is Fabaceae. The showy, fragrant, pink, purple or white flowers make the tree attractive for ornamental and avenue planting. Next tree is Ticoma, common name Ticoma, botanical name Ticoma argentina, belong to Bignoniaceae family. The plants is often grow as an ornamental by virtue of its many yellow trumpet-shaped scented flowers. Next tree is Amalthus. Botanical name is Cassia fistula. Belong to Leguminaceae family. Amalthus is widely grown as an ornamental plants in tropical and subtropical areas. It blooms in late spring. Flowering is profuse, with tree being covered with yellow flowers. Next plant is Safeda, common name Bulgum safeda, botanical name Eucalyptus species, belong to Myrtaceae family. In Australia, eucalyptus trees are often used as timber for buildings. They are ideal as a building material because they grow very quickly. Eucalyptus have many uses which have made them economically important trees, and they have become a cash crop in poor areas. Next tree is people. Botanical name Ficus religiosa, belong to Moraceae family. Ficus religiosa is native to Indochina and the Indian subcontinent from the Himalayas foothills to southwestern China. Next tree is silver oak, botanical name Grevillea robusta, belong to Proteaceae family. Its majestic height, attractive shape, and beautiful foliage make Grevillea robusta an ideal tree for landscaping or private and public gardens. The cut leaves are used in flower arrangement, and young plants are grown in indoor pot plant in Europe. Next tree is teak, common name savon, botanical name Tictona grandis, family Verbenaceae. It is one of the most valuable timber in the world due to its beautiful surface and its resistance to termite and fungal damage. Flower color is white and flowering time is March to April. Next tree is Sita Asok. Botanical name Saraka asoka. Belong to Leguminaceae family. Flower color is scarlet red and flowering time is April month. The tree is originated in India and widely distributed in Khashi, Bengal, Orissa, Assam, and South region. These species are also found in the central and eastern Himalayas. Next tree is Asok. Botanical name Polyantha longifolia. Polyanthia longifolia. Family Anoniaceae. Flower color is pale green and flowering time is April. The plant has been commonly used in traditional system of medicine from the treatment of fever, skin diseases, diabetes and hypertension. The plant has been commonly used in traditional system of medicine for the treatment of fever, skin diseases, diabetes and hypertension. Next tree is bottle brush, very important tree for ornamental purpose. Common name bottle brush, botanical name Callistemon lanceolatus, family Maltaceae. Flower color is red and yellow and white, and flowering time is March to April. Next tree is rubber. Common name rubber tree, botanical name Ficus elastica, other botanical name Hevia brasiliensis, family Moraceae. The India rubber plant is native to Southeast Asia. The India rubber plant is native to Southeast Asia and is commonly grown as an indoor pot plant elsewhere. The young plants are durable and grow well under less than ideal indoor conditions. Next tree is jungle jalebi. Botanical name Inga dulcis. Belong to Leguminaceae family. The jungle jalebi tree is evergreen, growing up to a massive height of 20 meters. The branches bear thorny spines and deciduous leaves, making the plant appear rich and vibrant green. Next tree is juniper. Botanical name is Juniperus chinensis, family Coniferae. Juniperus chinensis is a very variable evergreen shrub or a tree with a crown that is pyramidal to open, broad and irregular, with branches spreading. It can grow up to 25 meters tall and a trunk 60 centimeter in diameter. Next tree is Karanj. Common name Sukcher. Botanical name Pongoma pinnata. Pongoma pinnata. Karanj. Common name Sukchel. Botanical name Pongama pinnata. Belong to family Leguminaceae. It is a fast growing medium sized evergreen or berry-flied deciduous glabrous shrub or tree with a broad crown or spreading or dropping branches. Flower color is purple and flowering time in May. It is a fast growing medium sized evergreen or briefly deciduous glabrous shrub or tree with a broad crown of spreading or dropping branches. Flower color is purple and flowering time is May month. Next tree is Thuja. Botanical name is Thuja occidental. Other botanical name is Thuja compacta. Belong to family Cupraceous. Thuja is a wonderful evergreen tree that make an excellent low maintenance hedges or screen as well as a superb formal specimen conifer. Next tree is Mahua. Botanical name Basia latifolia, family Sapotaceae. Mahua is a medium-sized to large deciduous shady trees. Mahua is a medium-sized to large deciduous shady tree that grow about 16 to 20 meter tall. The plant is found growing widely under dry tropical and subtropical climate conditions. Next tree is Pride of India. Botanical name is Lagestromia speciosa. Belong to family Lathraceae. It is grown in Southeast Asia, India, Bangladesh and the Philippines. It is also widely cultivated as an ornamental plant in tropical and subtropical areas. If you like our video, then like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.